GBP AUD technical analysis starting on the daily time frame. All right, so we have a daily upper zone, daily mid-range zone, and then daily lower zone as well. Now let's simplify the complicated, because our job is to simplify the complicated, not complicate the complicated. All right, so here I'm seeing that price has made a push to the upside, breaking above this mid-range zone. Price came down for exhaustion, but failed to make a continuational move that's breaking previous high to the upside. All right, so whenever price fails to break previous high to the upside, that means sellers are taking control over the market around what? This level. All right, so we are seeing sellers pulling down this market to the downside. And then if you take a look at this particular chart, where do you think price is likely to find the next buy pressure? Okay, I just want you to take about 30 seconds and then decide on it. Where do you think price will find the next buy pressure? Of course, price is going to find the next buy pressure on this mid-range zone. Okay, so we are going to see price move down here to find buy pressure here, which will probably take price to the upside. All right, so now that you have been able to predict that price is likely, or price is going to find buy pressure on this mid-range zone to the upside, that means that if you go to lower time frame, we can find entry to capitalize on this move that will what happen over here before price sees buy pressure to the upside. Okay, so since you know that price will drop over here before seeing the buy pressure, you are going to capitalize on this drop. Okay, you are going to capitalize on this move to the downside here before price completes this what exhaustion movement over here. All right, so let's take it to the 4H time frame and then have a closer look as well. All right, so this is the 4-hour time frame. Very nice and then very clean over here. Let's put meaning into this time frame. All right, so 4-hour time frame, what is happening over here? Very quick. All right, so on this 4-hour time frame, we are seeing price breaking what? Previous high to the downside. So this move over here is a nice break of structure. Okay, yeah, so we are seeing a push to the downside, exhaustion to the upside, another push to the downside, exhaustion. Price came down again and then has broken this what zone over here, right? So this zone here is our 4H lower zone, and this is also our 4H upper zone. So price is now trading below our 4H lower zone, and as we predicted, or as you predicted on the daily time frame, you said that price was going to make a move to the downside over here, where it will find the next buy pressure to the upside. So that is exactly what we are going to do. Okay, so we are going to find entry around this level to capitalize on this move to the downside. All right, so let's take it to the 1-hour time frame. I'm going to take this entry on the 1-hour time frame very quick. All right, so straight up to the 1-hour time frame, 1H, sorry, 1H, very quick. All right, so this is the 1-hour time frame, and then let's look at how we can find entry to capitalize, okay, on the move to the downside before the overall buy pressure sets in. All right, so this is going to be our setup for this particular trade. We are going to stay patient. Okay, so on this 1-hour time frame, we are seeing that price as what broken a level of what sensitivity over here with a move to the downside, or with a push to the downside. Okay, so once there's a push, there's going to be what, an exhaustion before an entry to the downside. So we are going to stay patient because we are seeing a push to the downside. We are staying patient for price to complete exhaustion here before we pull the trigger to the downside. So this is my full view on GBP AUD. If you haven't joined my Telegram channel, kindly go to my profile. The link of my Telegram channel is there. Click on it. I'll be giving this signal absolutely for free. And then if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so. If you are new, hit on the bell icon and then like this video. Comment in the section below to help the channel growing. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. Until the next.